Connector the fiber, foresee the future. Hello friends, fiber optical lessons start. This is Sophia from Hong Kong HongServe Limited. Welcome to my channel. Last time I introduced the fiber optical inspection probe. This time, let's talk about the secrets of the optical fiber connectors. The optical fiber connector is composed of three parts: ceramic ferrule, connecting structural parts, and the optical cable. Secret 1. Why does the 250 micrometer and 900 micrometer fiber turn to 125 micrometer after it is made into a patch cord? Because in the process of producing patch cord, the fiber needs to be passed through the ceramic ferrule whose inner diameter is 125.5 micrometer. In order to pass smoothly, we have to remove the coating layer and only leave the fiber core with a diameter of 125 micrometer and the cladding part. Secret 2. Is there a connector that can solve the connection efficiency problem of dense ports on devices? The answer is yes. Uniboot is specifically designed to solve the problem of plugging efficiency. It boosts the transmitting and receiving optical cables on the same connector, which can connect transmitting and receiving of two signals in one time. MPO, MTP even can connect 12-way or 24-way signals in one time, which greatly improves the efficiency of the connection. Secret 3. How to make the SC connector pass through the pipe of the same size as itself. The SC connector is detachable. When it needs passing through a narrow pipe, the outer plastic part can be removed first and then reinstalled after passing through the pipe. Here is the disassembly method. Cover the connector with a dust-proof cap. Hold the outer plastic part of the connector tightly, and then face the connector downwards and quickly hit the dust-proof cap vertically against the horizontal desktop. That's all for this lesson. Now, we know some secrets of the fiber patch cord connector. It is convenient to have the patch cord connected. However, it needs to be made in advance. But how do we solve the connection problem of the optical fiber cable in the outdoor construction site? Please follow our updates. We will talk about it in the next lesson. See you!